The Tokyo Olympics 2020 is set to take place from 23rd July to 8th August. Many Indian players and teams have qualified for the Tokyo Olympics. So in this video, I am going to tell you all the Indian players who will represent India at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Let's start. From archery, 4 Indian players are participating in Tokyo Olympics. Tarundeep Rai from men's recurve, Atanu Das from men's recurve, Praveen Jadhav from men's recurve, and Deepika Kumari from women's recurve. From athletics, KT Irfan in men's 20 km race walking, Sandeep Kumar in men's 20 km race walking, Rahul Rohilla in men's 20 km race walking, Gurpreet Singh in men's 50 km race walking, Bhavna Jat in women's 20 km race walking, Priyanka Goswami in women's 20 km race walking, Avinash Sehwal in men's 3000 meters steeplechase, Murali Srishankar in men's long jump, MP Zavir in men's 400 meter hurdles, Neeraj Chopra in men's javelin throw, Shivpal Singh in men's javelin throw, Annu Rani in women's javelin throw, Tajinder Pal Singh Toor in men's shot put, Duti Chand in women's 100 meter and 200 meter race, Kamalpreet Kaur in women's discus throw, Seema Punia in women's discus throw, 4x400 mixed relay and men's 4x400 meter relay. From badminton, world champion PV Sindhu is participating in women's single event, B Sai Praneeth in men's single event, and Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty in men's double event. In boxing, total 9 Indian players are representing India in the Tokyo Olympics. Vikas Krishan in men's 69 kg event, Lavlina Borgohain in women's 69 kg event, Ashish Kumar in men's 75 kg event, Pooja Rani in women's 75 kg event, Satish Kumar in men's 91 kg event, Mary Kom in women's 51 kg event, Amit Panghal in men's 52 kg event, Manish Kaushik in men's 63 kg, and Simranjit Kaur in women's 60 kg event. From equestrian, Fawad Mirza is the first Indian equestrian to qualify for the games in 20 years. He sealed his quota in eventing after topping the group in the individual event category at the Southeast Asia and Oceanic qualifiers in November 2019, and he is the only equestrian in the Tokyo Olympics representing India. From fencing, Bhavani Devi became the first Indian fencer to qualify for the Olympics. The Sabri fencer from Chennai booked her slot for Tokyo 2020 through the Adjusted Official Ranking (AOR) method at the Budapest Sabri World Cup, an Olympic qualifying event in Hungary in March. India's participation in golf in Tokyo Olympics 2020 will feature Anirban Lahiri and Udayan Mane in men's and Aditi Ashok in women's event. From gymnastics, Praniti Naik is only the second Indian woman gymnast to qualify for the Olympics. The artistic gymnast made the cut in May via the Asian quota. In hockey, India's men's national team and India's women's national team is set to represent India at the Tokyo Olympics. Both teams, led by Manpreet Singh men's and Rani Rampal women's, qualified in November 2019, and each of them will carry an 18-member squad to Tokyo 2020. From judo, Susila Devi Likmabam will be India's only participant in judo at Tokyo 2020 Olympics. She made the Olympic cut in the women's extra lightweight 48 kg division as the highest ranked Asian judoka outside the top 18 on the Olympic game quota (OGQ) ranking list. Indian rowers Arjun Jatt and Arvind Singh will represent India at the rowing in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Both of them qualified in the men's lightweight double sculls event at the Asian qualifiers in Tokyo, Japan in May. 4 sailors of India will participate in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Neethra Kumanan in lesser radial event, Vishnu Saravanan in lesser standard event, KC Ganapati and Varun Thakkar in 49 ER. Total 15 Indian shooters have qualified for the Tokyo Olympics 2020. The names are Anjum Modgil, Apurvi Chandela, Devyan Singh Panwar, Deepak Kumar, Tejashwini Sawant, Sanjeev Rajput, ऐश्वर्य प्रताप सिंह तोमर, मनु भाकर, यशस्विनी सिंह देसवाल, सौरभ चौधरी, अभिषेक वर्मा, राही संवावत, चिंकी यादव, अंगद वीर सिंह बाजवी and महराज अहमद खान. 3 Indian swimmers will represent India at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. The names are Sajan Prakash in men's 100-meter freestyle, 100-meter butterfly and 200-meter butterfly event, Srihari Natharaj in men's 100-meter backstroke event and Mana Patel in women's 100-meter backstroke event. In table tennis, 4 Indian table tennis players are participating in Tokyo Olympics. The names are Sharath Kamal, Shatyan Ganashakan, Sutirtha Mukherjee and Manika Batra. In tennis, India's Sania Mirza and Ankita Raina will participate in women's doubles event and Sumit Nagal in men's singles event. From weightlifting, Mirabai Chanu will be India's only representative in weightlifting at Tokyo 2020. Ranked second in the world, the former world champion is among the favorites for a medal in the women's 49 kg weight division. From wrestling, total 7 players will represent India at the wrestling. The names are Seema Bisla for women's freestyle 50 kg, Vinesh Fogat, Anshu Malik, Sonam Malik, Ravi Kumar Dahiya, Bajrang Punia in men's freestyle 65 kg and Deepak Punia in men's freestyle 86 kg event. So these were the Indian players who will represent India at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. So according to you, how many medals will India bring this time in Tokyo Olympics 2020? Comment down. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.